3-bath home located in Central Texas. It sits on 60 acres, sits on top of this beautiful little hilltop overlooking the valley. You have 1,500 feet of the Lampasas River. You're gonna love it. So one of my favorite features of this home is this beautiful covered back porch. The views out here are amazing. You can just picture having family gatherings, entertaining, and all this beautiful background behind you. You will love entertaining. You've got this slide-through window comes out of the kitchen so you can have your barbecues and family gatherings right out here. The home's exterior features part Texas rock and hardy plank siding. You will definitely love your little piece of Texas with these cedar cabin tops, and also the sellers took great care and they used a barn off of the property to do the ceilings. You have plenty of room for family gatherings or entertaining with this huge sit-up bar. You've got this extra size pantry, all this cabinet space, and plenty of room to prepare your meals. The way that open concept is laid out gives you plenty of room for entertaining, gathering, having company over, and lots of room for the kids to run around. So once you pull in the driveway and you come in, you are totally secluded. You've got this beautiful rock wood-burning fireplace, this large family gathering area, and picturesque window views everywhere in the house. These stained concrete floors are pretty typical for Texas. The great thing about them is they're easy to clean up, great if you've got pets or animals, and easy maintenance. I can just imagine waking up in this master bedroom in the morning and looking out at that fantastic view. Plenty of closet space in the master, features 2 large closets. Master bathroom features a standalone shower in the same beautiful cedar cabinets from the kitchen. There's 2 good-sized guest bedrooms with ample-sized closets as well. The shared hall bathroom features the same cedar countertops as the rest of the house. This side entrance serves like a mudroom, and this is where your laundry facility is located. One of the features I also love is all this covered parking. You've got room to put 6 vehicles under here.